Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. This is the show where we celebrate the craft of homebrewing and hook you up with great gear. Last month, we gave away the legendary Ruseilla, one of my favorite tools, and it now has an awesome new home. And the winner is, we're blown away by the number of entries, and if you're really interested in it, check out the deal you'll probably get in this one's email. A new month means a new prize. This month, we're focusing on speed, flavor, and pure simplicity, the Flash Brewing Kits. Say hello to your ultimate cheat code. We all love brewing, we all love those long brew days, but sometimes we don't have the time for it. So this month, we're giving away 5 lucky winners get the Flash Brewing Kit of their choice. These kits have been absolutely amazing, revolutionizing how a lot of people are brewing nowadays. In fact, we're getting a lot of reviews from people saying, I'm back into brewing because I just didn't have the time, and the flavors that they're getting from this are awesome. We got hoppy ones, more malty sweet ones. You choose. They're simple, easy, and fast. So what do you think? Have you used a Flash Brewing Kit yet? Did you like it? We need to know about it. We want to learn more about your habits and what you guys like. So leave them in the comments below. Speaking of which, last month gift card winners for comments are here and here. So be sure to enter your comments to win next month. And that's it. So be sure to enter. Go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. When you're on that page, look for the exclusive coupon just for you. Cheers to all of you, good luck, and see you next month.